Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see file actions. As part of file action, we're going to see a method called snap. So snap saves a screenshot of a whole page or an element or a region on the screen. Save it as a file. You can save it as a PNG or any other file. Snap syntax goes snap. You can have a DOM object. You can save as DOM object to a file. You can save an XPath of a element. You can use all the identifier. Extra one is page, and you can save it to the file. So example, snap logo to a logo.png, page to a web page PNG, a region, you provide region to an image.png. So let's see an example in detail. Welcome back. In this, let's launch our Notepad++. So I'll be using the same example which we've been using for our past things. Let's say this time we're going to go for investopedia.com. So let's use this example. And let's start our examples. UI, file actions, and method is snap. And snap syntax is DOM or XPath or region or page to a file. We'll see this example. So let's launch our website, and that is this. Time out 5 seconds, and let's first go with the snap with DOM example. Let's say snap. What are we going to snap? So let's go here. Let's try to snap this education. Let's go and see what is the DOM object. Right click it and see it's education. So this is the DOM value. Copy the value, bring it back over here, paste it to the file. Say invest education menu.png. So this is we have snapped, and let's go. Let's take our logo. Okay, so this is the one which we have. So let's go back, say copy, and come back to copy XPath. You can copy it, or you can say file, and you can provide this information, say //a, and you can provide @ID equal to copy and paste. You can see this link, and that has been there. You can copy the XPath, and you can say snap and say XPath, which is over here, and you can say to invest logo.png. To identify it correctly, I'll just say this one like this so that we can able to identify them correctly. So this is snap XPath example, and let's try snap region. Say snap, say let's say 1,1, and region goes with the endpoint, which is let's say 400, 400, and say to invest region 400.png. And last but not least, page. Say snap page and snap page to invest home page.png. Okay, let's save this, minimize this, close all the available browser, launch our command prompt, go back and launch our command prompt. Navigate to a location where you have your have your snap files stored. So I have stored it in this folder. So let me open this folder, open this location. So go to file action, snap. So this is the location I have snap. So let me minimize it and put it in this location to see if file is being created or not. So minimize this, and minimize this. Okay, now let's say Tagui snap.tag and hit enter, and you see it is empty. There's no other file created. So Chrome browser is launched, and it's navigating to Investopedia. Homepage is displayed, and snap education to invest. So it's completed. So it's going for the next one, snapping the logo, and then now it's trying to snap the page. So the page may take a little bit longer as it has to navigate through all the available screen or area. So it does take some time. It's a normal behavior based on the page objects, all the elements in the page. So it may take a little bit longer. So if you can see here, Chrome is trying to find all the reference objects. Once it completes it, then it will basically snap the whole page. So if page has less information, it does happen fast. If you have more information, it takes time. Yeah, so this finishes. So once I finished it, let me go back and refresh this page. So let me bring it back and refresh this. Now I'm going to refresh this click. So when I refresh it, you can see all the things are created. So if you can see here, the file which we started with. So if you can see here, we started with our file, which is Snap education, which is over here, education menu, this is one. And you can see the same education menu is being snapped here. The second one, we went for XPath, which is a invest logo, which is over here, which is number 2. And that's something over here. The last one was the second one, was the next one was the region. So we went for the region, which is over here, and that's over here. And then last but not least, we had Snap homepage. So homepage was here, which we have basically included here, which is 3 and number 4. So now as we have done, so let's see the first one, which is education. How does it appear? So when you click on it, so education is loaded. So education has been basically picked up. Then you have next one was a logo. Let's click on the logo. So logo was captured. So the last one was the region, which we have captured. So we have captured this region of the screen. Last but not least, the page, which is a home page, which is we have captured whatever the things we have it on the screen that has been captured by the Snap. So this is very helpful when you want to take a screenshot of your screen, scrape the screen from the take information from the screen and store it in a file. So this is very, very helpful. So this concludes our session with Snap, file Snap. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.